Okay, let's go to the File menu, and you see here we have Save as HTML now. We can save it as an HTML document, but let's cancel out of that and go File, Close, and File, New. And on this Web Pages tab, let's double click on Web Page Wizard, and we'll select Form Feedback, and Next, and let's make it jazzy, and Finish. Now let's select the insert heading here, text, and type To Do Organizer. If you've done our PowerPoint series, you'll recognize that one. And then let's type in some of the other text. I'm going to do some speed typing here and type this line wrong, but don't worry about it. And let's look at this list box. Let's select option 1 and try typing on it, and you'll find you can't. So let's not worry about it for now. Let's select the next line and type in any additional comments, and then we'll select the row on the next immediately below it, and if we right click on that, you'll see we can delete rows that we don't need, but we want this one, so let's just click off of it or press escape. And then let's go to the View menu, because we still want to find out how we can add in, change these options. Let's go to the View menu and go to HTML Source, and it wants us to save the document first. Okay, so let's call this To Do Form and save it in our regular folder. And here's the actual HTML. Let's page down a couple of times or click the scroll bar and select the option 1 text there and replace that with email. Let's select the option 2 text and change that to magazine. And we'll select the option 3 text and change that to friend, and then click the Exit HTML Source button, and we'll save the document again. Now the form will look a little bit different, but that's just a problem that Word had at that time, at the time of Word 97. Now we need to open Internet Explorer. I've actually got it open on the taskbar. Let's make sure we've saved our form, and let's bring up Internet Explorer and go to the File menu and Open, and the Browse button, and let's find our folder and double click on To Do Form and say OK, and there is our form. Now let's get back to Word. We can either minimize Internet Explorer or click on the Word button on the taskbar, and let's go File, New, and with blank web page selected, we'll double click on that, and let's type in our new To Do Organizer homepage under construction. And let's type in our survey form, and then let's go to the File menu and save, or just click the Save button, and let's give that a name of Homepage, and save. Now let's select the text Our Form Survey and go to the Insert menu, Hyperlink, and click the top Browse button, the one for a file or URL, and double click on our to-do form and click OK. Let's save that and then close it. File, close. Now click in the main heading and go to the Insert menu and select Bookmark. Let's type top for that and click the Add button, and then scroll to the bottom of the form and select the text that says Related Page 1, and we'll replace that with the text Back to Our Home Page. Then select the remainder of the text on that line, and we'll replace that with Back to Top. Then select the text Back to Our Home Page, and let's go to the Insert menu, Hyperlink, and click that first Browse button again and double click on Home Page and OK. Now select the text Back to Top and go to the Insert menu, Hyperlink, and click on the lower Browse button for a location in that file. We have top selected. Let's click OK, OK, and save. Now let's click on Internet Explorer on the taskbar again to bring that up, and click the refresh button. Now click on the Back to Our Home Page link. And now click on the Our Survey Form link. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on Back to Top. Now we can close Internet Explorer and close Word.